So for running this, after we clone it, enter into the folder and type docker compose up and arguments build. As you can see, it starts the docker. For now, we are entering the browser and you are typing in localhost 8000, which you have exposed using docker for the UI. It's a simple HTML UI. We can see the option of uploading file or we can paste content. For now we are uploading the files. I have an email here, and content type we can hint it or we can auto detect, and after clicking on process input we can see the processing result, classification and the email agent output. The actions triggered shown here are via simulated API calls. We can also view the full raw trace and we have an option to hide it too. Here we can see the processes that went on in Docker. Now let's see for another. We can see the action log and close which was triggered. Next, for the regulations policies detection, we have made the PDF agent. It has correctly outputted all the policies which have been given. This was the raw trace for the regulation PDF. I've included all these in the samples folder. This is the JSON data and the JSON edition output we can see here. The actions triggered. These all are simulated API calls. We have connected Redis, although we don't have a CRM as of currently. In this, I had put a condition of simulating an API call if the invoice value was above 10,000, and it has triggered a risk alert successfully because the reason is high value invoice and the total comes larger than 10,000. We can see all the process that went on here. Now I am showing you the code. Just a minute. Inside the samples we can see all the files. This was the invoice that triggered the action. This was the regulation PDF, and this was the data privacy regulation policy which was correctly mentioned by our agent. This was the webhook data.json. So this is the action router.py which triggered simulated API calls. Inside the agents, you can view all the agents: classifier, email, JSON and PDF. The first, I have included a few examples so that Gemini returns the correct output in the format of JSON. JSON agent doesn't call any Gemini. It is only for PDF and email agents. This is the index.html that we have used for the UI. It's made using simple HTML and CSS, Tailwind CSS.